I'm ready. What's up, y'all? How are you doing? How you feeling? Yes, this is real. What you see is real. This is not an illusion. There are so many of these tutorial videos already circulating, but I feel like there may be a few people out there who still don't know how to do it, and I'm here to help you. And then for the people who do know how to do it, you just got it down pat. It's not for you. I'm just kidding. I'm just really trying to see my full potential with this style. Enjoy, baby. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair. All I left in my hair was just a cream-based moisturizer. Given my hair's gonna be in a ponytail, I wanted to stay moisturized. So I'm just gonna brush my hair to the point on my head that I want this hairstyle to begin at. This isn't the final hair tying. This is just so that when I'm applying the gel, it's smooth, and then I'm gonna take it back out. You'll see. And I always comb and brush the ends of the hair just so that the bun that's gonna be on top is smooth. You know, there's not too many flyaways. It's not gonna bust out of my braid. I love this Blueberry Bliss curl control paste. The texture is really smooth. It doesn't flake up. It gives me the hold that I need. Not throughout the day though. Make sure you brush the gel into your hair and then take the hair tie out, brush your hair again so everything is smooth and put together. Now this time, tie it as many times as you can. This is the final tying. And there go my little chicken nugget head. Using this hair, you see, I don't know why I always said Rosta Afri. Oh my god. And in the pack I got, there were 3 bundles, but I'm only going to use 2 of them to make my braid full enough. Make sure you take off the elastic that is already on the braid because you're going to end up adding a hairband or a hair tie, whatever you call it. So at this point, there I go, skinny legend. Pay attention. You see how the hair is equal length, right? Okay. You're going to want to make the 2 bundles uneven to each other and pull some of the hair at the bottom. Doing this is going to make your braid look as natural as possible. I'm taking 2 hair ties since they're thin. I still want the whole. I'm so sorry for the angle. Okay. You're going to want to loop the hair ties over each other and pull one through. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this makes sense. Hopefully. Yeah, that's what you're gonna do. Boom. Then braid the hair like normal. That's all. And yes, I'll braid down to 3 strands of hair if that's what it takes. That means that the braid will not come out. I just want the security. Another important step. Find which side you want the braid to be on, but then tie it onto the other side. You feel me? You see what I'm doing? Pay attention. Watch. Learn. Tie it twice over just so that your braid is secure. And then you're gonna flip the braid over your bun. As you're gently pulling the braid around your bun, the hair will mold around your bun. It just happens. It's the simplest thing. But make sure you bobby pin the hair around your bun. Because a couple of times my bun has chosen to pop out, in the middle of the day. It's embarrassing. And that's it. Now, if you want to jazz it up a bit, you can add some of these gold jewels. These are my go-to. I love them. They shine in the light, just like my skin. Add a little on my ear, just for the aesthetic and the classiness. So simple. And so this is the final look. It's so cute. This look is so simple. When you're ready for bed, you just take the hair tie off. You don't even have to undo the braid. Your bun is still there. Your bun doesn't even have to look perfect. That's the best part, is that you could just toss it on. It's so simple. And you still look put together. You look like a clean, nice hairstyle.
I love it. I really do. Well, for those who needed this tutorial, I hope it was helpful. For those who didn't need it, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to subscribe. It's free, you know. You get free content, you know. So, win-win. And also, don't forget to comment what other type of videos you guys want to see, and don't forget to like the video and share it if you want. See y'all in my next video. Peace. I gotta teach my braid to act like Beyonce's. Almost.